Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So this is a bit of a different one. It's a collaboration with Glam, and they have partnered with a charity called survivingbreastcancer.org. I will put all the details in the description box because what they've done is they've put a new section on their website called Think Pink. And for every bottle of gel that's sold from that collection, they're going to donate $1 to this charity in New York. Yeah, I said that I'd be happy to do a video for that, so this is my video. They did ask if I used pink colours, which I've done, but the Think Pink section of the website, it's not just pinks. There are a lot of different coloured gels there, so if you think it's only pink, it's not. So if you go and have a look on the website, you'll see. Right, what I'm doing is I'm going to do some pink nails with a pink ribbon, and I'm using Bright Barbie Pink, which I've used before because I've only got a few pinks from Glam at the moment, but I really love that one and it's my favourite, so I decided to use that. So that's going on 3 of the nails, and you've just seen me sugar the glitter called Sugar Baby from Nail Sugar. Yeah, so I'm just sugaring the nail, I'm just pouring it onto some wet base coat. And then on the ring finger, I'm going to be using Not Your Usual White, which is a white, but it's got a pink tint to it. And then, so on 2 of the nails, I'm going to use the ink from Glam. So I'm going to use the, these are called art inks, but they're like alcohol inks. So I'm using the white ink and I'm using the clear ink. Now that's just to spread it and stuff. So I'm doing that on 2 of the nails. And I did have to use quite a lot of the ink. I had to go over it a few times. It's not as vibrant over this pink because this is a really bright pink. But I love the way these turned out. I'm definitely going to use these inks again. I've never actually used the white one on nails before, I don't think. I've used all the other colours but not the white one. And I really like it. I like the effect it has. It's like sort of smoky. So you just need to use the clear ink just to spread it and get it just how you want it, and then it's air drying, so then you just leave it to dry before you put any top coat on it or anything, otherwise it might smear. So next I'm putting some of that Bright Barbie Pink on my palette, and I'm using my detailer brush and I'm going to paint this ribbon on. Now this took me absolutely ages, so I've sped this up because yeah, my freehand painting, it's not the best anyway, and you know, I've been away for a while and I've not been used to doing it, and I've not been practicing as much as I should have been, and yeah, it wasn't perfect, but yeah, I did like doing it again. So I'm painting the ribbon in the pink. And then when I'm finally happy with that, I'm just putting a bit of base coat on the palette, and I'm putting the rest of the glitter that was left in the tray, well, a little bit of it after I'd poured it back in the bag. And I'm mixing that with the base coat, and then I'm just covering that pink so it is sparkly. And then after that's been cured, I'm going to go in with the gel paints. Well, the white gel paint, that's the one I'm using. And I'm going to outline all the ribbon. And if I thought painting the ribbon took a long time, outlining the ribbon took even longer. So I wanted a really thin outline, and it took me ages to get this outline right. But I really like the way it looks. I don't think it would have looked the same if I hadn't outlined it in the white. So then this nail is a little bit bulky now because I've got the glitter on and I've done the outline and everything, and so it was raised a bit, so I decided just to go over with Pure Serenity, which is the Madam Glam Builder Gel. Oh, and that reminds me as well, in the Think Pink campaign on the website, on the Madam Glam website, they've also got the baby pink builder gel. So yeah, it's not just gel polishes, it can be that. I think there is a couple of builder gels on there as well. So I've done all the design now. I'm just going to top coat them. So I'm doing the ink ones first, and I decided to leave them glossy. They did look really good matte as well. And then I'm just doing the ribbon one. So I love how it turned out, and I'm glad I put the glitter on and took the time to do the outlining because it did look a lot better. So like I said, all the links to everything will be in my description box. I've also got a 35% off code for Madam Glam, but if you want 40% off and you're not a VIP, you can get 40% off at the moment, because during this month, during October, they have got a 40% sale on, so I will go and have a look at that. I don't know if that's site-wide or that's just for the Think Pink stuff. So this is how they all look when they've got top coat on. So yeah, I love the way they turned out. I love those inks. And then this is them sort of in the right order. You can see a bit closer there, it's closer up. So yeah, that is it for this video. That's it for these nails. So yeah, I want to say a big thank you for Madam Glam for reaching out and asking me to join in, because this was a really good cause to work on, and I'm so glad that I did. Everybody has been touched by cancer at some point, whether it's a family member or a friend, and yeah, I think it's something that we should really think about and make sure that it's always in our minds. Yeah, so if you like this video, please give it a like. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye.